two big transactions involving XRP, with a combined total of approximately 44 million tokens, have taken place in the past 24 hours. The big transactions, which entailed large quantities of XRP moved from well-known exchanges to unknown wallets, were brought to the attention of the blockchain tracker Whale Alert. The aforementioned moves have spurred arguments regarding putative motivations, which range from the building of institutional power to the repositioning of strategic interests. In the initial transaction, 25 million XRP, which had a value of around $36 million, were transferred from the South Korean exchange Upbit to a wallet that was an unknown entity. Binance, which is considered to be one of the most prominent cryptocurrency platforms on a global scale, was the recipient of the second transfer, which involved the transfer of 18 million XRP, which is equivalent to approximately $27 million. High volume transactions like these frequently indicate a change in investor attitude or a readiness to store assets for an extended period. An examination of the reasons behind large-scale transfers of XRP, it is possible that holders are shifting cash to offline storage when significant amounts of cryptocurrency are taken from exchanges. This could be an indication that holders are taking an optimistic stance on the cryptocurrency market. This decrease in exchange liquidity has the potential to influence supply dynamics and indicate confidence in the market's ability to appreciate in the future. There's also the possibility that the transfers are a part of the routine asset management process. Nonetheless, the magnitude of these transactions suggests that they have bigger market ramifications. The rationale for these swings is still unknown. Nevertheless, significant transactions often attract the attention of institutional and retail investors due to the possible influence they could have on market conditions. XRP has climbed by 24 over the week, hitting $1.48. Even though the present price has decreased by 1 point over the previous day, there is a generally positive trend across the cryptocurrency market, and Bitcoin has also been getting close to reaching record highs. This increase is in line with that trend. The performance indicators of XRP have been solid over the past week and month, even though it has recently experienced a decrease of almost 17 from its peak price of $1.63. Over the previous month, the asset has had a growth of 180, which represents its highest performance since April 2021. In recent trading, XRP has risen from a low of $1.28 earlier this week to a high of $1.52 before settling around the $1.8 level. This indicates that the cryptocurrency is currently stable. To determine whether or not the asset can continue on its upward trajectory, market analysts are attentively analyzing it. The token may aim for the $2 milestone, which is an important psychological landmark if the current pace continues. On the other hand, if there's an increase in selling pressure, the price might drop back toward $1, and if bearish sentiment becomes more intense, there is a possibility that the price might retrace much further to $85. In conclusion, the recent price swings XRP and the numerous transfers that have taken place imply that there is a heightened interest in the asset. There is still no way to know if this indicates persistent growth or short-term volatility. Nonetheless, investors will be keeping a watchful eye out for any other events that may occur in the following days. Also, in response to heightened buying pressure from whales over the previous 2 weeks, Ripple XRP had a CSSAA Wednesday amid rising institutional interest in the introduction of an exchange-traded fund ETF in the United States. The cryptocurrency that is based on remittances may stage a move to $2.58. The buying pressure of XRP whales increases, and Bitwise rebrands the XRP available in Europe. A declining trend has been observed in the supply of XRP across its two main exchanges, Binance and Upbit, over the past 2 weeks. A decrease of more than 500 million XRP has occurred in the exchange reserve of XRP since November 13, as indicated by the statistics provided by CryptoQuant. It is an indication that there is an increase in purchasing pressure when the exchange reserve of an asset decreases. According to the data provided by Sentiment, the majority of this buying activity was carried out by whales who reported an increase in their holdings of more than 700 million XRP within the same period. It appears that whales are becoming more confident in XRP ability to extend its surge, as evidenced by the rising buying activity among investors. It was after Donald Trump was declared the winner of the presidential election in the United States that the remittance-based token began its upward trend, and it has continued to extend its monthly gains to more than 180 since then. However, it is essential to take into account that investors have made profits totaling more than 1.5 billion along the route, as was said in a study that was presented previously. It is possible that the price of XRP could be subjected to downward pressure if the profit-taking activity increases as the price of XRP hovers. In the meantime, Asset Management Bitwise announced the rebranding of its Europe-based XRP exchange-traded fund in a press statement that was issued on Wednesday. The Bitwise Physical XRP AT, which was formerly known as the Etc Group Physical XRP, receives 100% of its value from physical assets and will continue to trade on the Deutsche Börse platform in Germany. Further confirmation was made by the asset management that Ripple will be participating as an investment in the newly branded XRP fund. Global demand for exposure to the crypto asset class has exploded in 2024, fueled by a growing interest in crypto-backed investment offerings, stated Ripple Labs CEO Brad Garlinghouse in the news release. This is a result of the growing interest in crypto-backed offers, with the U.S. regulatory environment for crypto finally becoming more clear. This trend is poised to accelerate, further driving demand for crypto ATPs such as the Bitwise Physical XRPT. If it breaks above the critical channel, XRP could potentially rise to $2.5. As a result of XRP futures liquidations totaling $10 million over the previous 24 hours, Ripple XRP has experienced a sick increase. Long and short bets that were liquidated accounted for a total of $3.87 million and $7 million, respectively. Over the previous week, XRP has been trading within a significant channel following a recent sideways movement that occurred close to the 135 mark. If there is a significant spike in volume above the upper trend line resistance of this channel, then XRP will be able to break above its 3-year resistance level of $1.96 and reach a high of $258. If, on the other hand, the price moves below the lower trend line of this channel, it might trigger a 30% drop to 93 cents. The fact that the relative strength index RSI is currently higher than its neutral level is an indication that bullish momentum is currently prominent in the market, has increased by 6.3 in the past 24 hours, and has a trading volume of $6.58 billion. The bullish momentum that is building is expected to continue. A bullish continuation is indicated when the price surges above the $1.51 pivot point, which occurs when a symmetrical triangle pattern is successful in breaking out of the pattern. Chart showing the price of XRP resistance levels are located around $1.3, $1.71, and $1.81, and they provide prospective targets for the upward movement of the price. Yuchong support is located around $1.51 on the downside, with further cushions located at $1.43 and $1.38, with the latter being aligned with the 50-day exponential moving average